Welcome to Tolerant Software. We would like to show you how to process data protection inquiries much more quickly. Learn more about our concept for a central search index. The background. The General Data Protection Regulation of the European Union, GDPR for short, grants your customers many rights. For example, you must provide information about stored personal data. You must delete or correct this data if requested. Customers also have a right to have the data transferred. The GDPR does not give you much time to process such requests, 1 month at the most. How can you meet the tight deadlines? First, you need to check whether you know the client who is making the inquiry. If you do, you need to find out where the client's data might be stored. If you process the client data in one single system only, this is quite simple. In larger companies, however, customer data is not only located in one place. There are diverse business processes that use different systems. As a rule, no user has access to all systems. Therefore, they have to send these customer requests to different departments. You then wait for an answer. The clock is ticking. You have to keep an eye on all the processes and follow them up. With several requests at the same time, this is time-consuming and tough. And very few of these customer inquiries actually deliver hits. So this process causes frustration for everyone involved. Can't it be simpler? We recommend the following procedure. Customer characteristics from all systems are stored for a search in a central index. This gives you quick access to your entire customer base across all systems. For the index, we use our product TOLERANT Match. This allows you to search error tolerantly. Even if the spelling differs, you can be sure of identifying the relevant hits. Here you can see an example. You can see where and in which notation customers are stored. Only if there are hits are inquiries forwarded to other departments. This saves time and nerves. But how do the customer data get into the index? This requires some effort, but it is really worth it. Common IT systems have export functions, or they allow read access to the underlying database. With these means, you can extract the relevant information for the index relatively easily. For each system involved, such a step is necessary. Afterwards, the data is compiled and put into a uniform format. The index is then fueled with this consolidated data. As a rule, it is sufficient to update the index weekly. The outlined overall process should be completed within a few hours. It can run automatically in the background outside business hours. The data remains in-house with you. Your security requirements can thus be met. Sounds interesting? You can find out more details on our website at www.tolerant-software.de. We look forward to your feedback.